Y'all want to know how to make the best dang catfish of your entire life? Well, here's all the ingredients you need. 2 eggs, a cup of flour, fill the bottom of a flat pan of oil, have about 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces, 10 pieces of catfish, and we'll take a fork, bust the yolks. This will be our egg wash. You don't want too much egg. You want to make sure you get it nice and squished up. Just like that, until the yolk's completely yellow. And then now that's bubbling, I need to start getting catfish. So once your catfish is starting to thaw, well, kind of want it to be completely thawed out. Here, let me turn the oil down so whenever I throw them in there, they're not going to be. I got it on 4. I'm cooking tea right now. I like to cook my tea. Some people cook it on high and then wait till it boils. I like to let it slow cook a little bit. See how it's popping? You want it to get to that point and then slow it down a little bit until this is. You don't want to cook it too fast too. You always want to cook it at a slow pace. You want your catfish to be completely thawed, because if it's not completely thawed, you just have one big old catfish nugget. These are from the catfish that I skinned, and that's been a while. And I should have cooked it. I was gonna cook them on Friday, but things happen, unfortunately. So, 2 eggs, swish them up, put them in the same thing with this. Wait for this to get to popping a little bit, just little bubbles everywhere. And I'm making some sweet tea right now. So. Hello, Dodo. Oh yeah, and my dog, she's having puppies. Good beard. Come here. Yeah, who's having puppies? Who's having puppies? I guess she peed in the floor. Why do you always do that? But yeah, she's pretty big now. She's having puppies. I don't know what happened to Tucker. Tucker's supposed to be in here helping me. But yeah. Get the catfish. Ooh, not good. Bubbly. Okay, anyways. Right here, flip it a couple times. And put it in your flour. Flip it. Flip it. Flip it. Make sure you get it all soaked up. Make sure you're using all-purpose. Then double dip in your wash. And put it back in the flour. Now this is gonna burn the crap out of my hand. Luckily, it didn't burn my hand, but it did scare me. Again, same process. Flip, egg wash. Get extra coating on there. Flipping flipper. And then throw the other one in there. And here's a couple nuggets. Nuggets will cook faster than strip, because they're smaller. Like with any other thing that's smaller. If you get some egg on you, just throw it in there, and those crunchies are delicious. Okay, so we're back over here again. And break all the catfish out. My tea's coming to a boil. It smells like tea and catfish. I'm telling y'all, you ever had catfish, you know, I don't care who you are or what you say. Catfish, in my opinion, in my very strong opinion, is the best fish. I've tried tons of other fish. I don't like it. Catfish, fried catfish beats them all. I've had fried cod. I've had baked cod. It's just, I don't like cod. I hate cod, actually. Always want to make sure you don't have no bones, too. Oh no, my tea's coming to a pretty good boil. I had to flip that the catfish here in a second. And you always want to make sure it's completely defrosted, unlike I did. It won't affect the taste. It'll just affect how much you get in one strip. You get like a huge strip, and you actually have like 3 or 4 pieces in there. This had like 5 or 6 catfish, so these are little channel cats. So don't afraid to get your hands in the egg wash. Just keep it going. Throw it in there. I'm trying to get this all broken up, but I don't want to. Shoot. Not good. Not entirely bad either, and I need to get that tea off before it burns the packets. Okay, 1 second. I gotta get that tea off. And the tea is off. Catfish. I've been told that I make some pretty good sweet tea, so I'm making a fish fry by myself for the family. I'm a family man of not my own family. It's my home family. Ooh. I wanted to do this on a live stream, but I would imagine this would be terrible, and I'm going to edit all of this. A lot of this y'all aren't going to get to see because I'm trying to work with this shit. Piss me off. So that tea is going to be really strong. Yeah, you always want to make sure this is all thawed out before you start doing so much. Yeah, okay, so we're going to get all the rest of this egg, all the rest of this flour on this one. You want to make sure you use all your ingredients. 1/2 sugar supply is running a little low. A little low. Now, first off, you're going to look like this. Once you're looking pretty good like this, it's going to be golden. That's the tea. I like my tea pretty strong. This is what's left over. If you want if you want a lot of crunchies, just keep raking it out of there and dropping it in there. But the crunchies will cook faster than the fish. And always make sure your fish gets completely cooked all the way through. You'll know because right now this is frozen. You'll figure it out. Don't do that. If my mom saw that, she'd probably kill me. That's just great. More oil. I'm going to do that halfway. If you want to deep fry it, you can like pan fry with just a little bit of oil, or you can deep fry it. I like pan fry. That's pretty good amount of oil. Healthy, not very much. Now I need that wood spoon. I like to use a wood spoon when I stir my wood spoon. Here it is. When I stir my tea, it's always have to be a wood spoon. And a circular motion or a straight back and forth motion. Some good old tea. Sweet tea at that. That is some strong tea too. If you want it less strong, just like if you want it kind of like McDonald's, not very strong. Ooh, I better get that before that burns. Ooh, that's gonna burn. And I have this little thing right here that I can use and just stick. Don't let your tea packets stay in there forever, or they will get pretty potent. I'm gonna put that in my tomato plants. I don't even know if I made a video on that. I need to be paying more attention. I've been slacking on my channel here lately, so sorry about that, guys. Yeah, I should have really thought this out before I did really anything else. I'll come back to y'all when this is all. Rolls preheat for about 400. And then here's catfish so far. Looking good. Just not quite done yet. And if they don't look as crispy as you would like them to, add more flour. That's all you have to do. Literally just reach over to your flour, pick it up, sprinkle it on top. There's so many crunchies in there, and catfish in there. And then you want to have a plate on standby with all your, with a couple paper towels, because you don't want all that oil in the food. Bad for the heart. And if you're young, you really don't care like me. But I don't know. If you want to live for another 25 years, I guess you don't want to, you know, be drinking this crap. Well, I got it set on 8. Preheated to 400 for rolls. I want okra. That's what I want. Let's go find some okra. Here's, oh, it smells something. Now it's time to add your flavoring. I like to use the old salt and pepper. Go crazy. Fish is always better with some more salt. Death? Yes. Tastes good? Yes. Let's see here. Any spices? Oh yeah, maybe. Say just use a little bit of garlic, but you don't have to if you don't want to. I don't think I'm gonna use garlic, but you can. It adds like a. Oh, excuse me. I was sneezing away from the food. I was sneezing towards the sink, just to let you know. I'm not that bad of a cook, okay? I told you, Gordon would be proud. See, this is all perfect. It's getting golden. They're hardening up. That's what you want to see. But you want to make sure all of it is completely, like it's still kind of squishy there. You want it to keep going. You want to cook it for about 20 minutes until completely golden brown on both sides. If it seems a little white on one side, just keep cooking it. If you're in a hurry, don't be, because you're frying catfish. It takes a minute. Like that. If you can poke through it pretty easy, that's a pretty good sign that you're a little bit too much. Crispy. If my camera will ever focus. My camera only focuses in white light. Like that's a yellow light, does not focus whatsoever. But when I bring my light in here, if I were to, it would be beautiful. But just to let y'all know, it's actually a beautiful golden brown. that's still not done. Just keep going until some of these can come out. So we're gonna get that. We usually have a dipper. I'm gonna use this. It's better to use a dipper, but go ahead and use whatever you can to get it out. If it doesn't look like completely done, then stick it back in there. There's no harm in putting it back in there unless you're willing to, unless you're good enough to cook like I am, to pull it out before it burns. But oh yeah, all those crispies will cook way before the catfish. Is that done? Yeah. These are some more crispies. Crispies are delicious. It's literally just fried flour and egg, but hey, they're good. I don't care what you say. Forgive this terrible camera quality. Yeah, that's beautiful. Like y'all can't really tell, but that's a beautiful catfish right here. Even have to be frozen, that needs to be in there. And the rest of these big old nuggets need to stay in there for a little while. That oil is so hot, the spoon can move without, like, it is like melting. It's not completely melting the spoon, but it's like, it's getting pretty close. I can really wiggle it. But yeah, your bigger pieces will definitely cook about an extra 5 minutes, maybe, or more than your actual little crispies. It doesn't look very big because catfish shrinks. That's pretty much basically with every other food. Hush puppies, that's what I was gonna make, hush puppies. Okay, so once you flip them, and go ahead and get all of these and make some hush puppies. Hush puppies aren't that hard to make. Ooh, almost had the oopsies there. Take my whiskey and leave. We're skipping the idea on the hush puppies because I can't find them. We're gonna leave these out. We're not gonna make them. But I already got rolls, scalloped potatoes. This should all be good. So what setting did it say? 2 tablespoons of butter. Hopefully there's stick butter in here. Well, I don't see any stick butter. So we'll just use this. Somebody text me. Who was this guy? Okay. You know what? We're gonna eyeball 2 tablespoons. So that's about a tablespoon. Sure. You know what? Yeah, that's about a tablespoon too. I'll call that good. Put it back. The only bad thing about this is it gets 10,000 degrees in here. And you can just reuse this. Okay. Oh, what heat? Oh, it's already at 400. Oh, wait, no. There go to 450. Start on. Okay. Now. Okay. So when you turn this back on, high heat, boil it. Stir. Potatoes. Potatoes. This kitchen's gonna be awful to clean. Trash. How about that? Trash. All that goes in there. How about that? Baked potatoes with that. Baked potatoes. However you call it. Really don't care. All that junk and trash, no good, goes in there. What is this to? Don't know what goes in there now. Paper towels. Where's Tucker at when I need him? I need him to come in and clean this kitchen up. My brother. Oh man. There you are, now get over here. You got some stuff to do, buddy boy.
That's Stoner's house in here.
Well, maybe if you would open the door. Hey, get all this crap picked up. Clean off the counter. Shut up. Just do what I told you. Come on, man. Okay, anyways. Back to stir in this. Stir it. And you get a pan. Don't put away that glass pan. Put the chocolate away and stuff. Clean all the trash off. Get all the bread and stuff. Here you go, big pack that. Stir. Till your potatoes are soft again. Once your potatoes are soft again, you're gonna... Shut up, I am on... Anyways... I'll show y'all how to make my cat coat. Open that cover. Take that glass. Wait, put it back over there on the towel. I meant flip it over. Come on, man. Hope this doesn't break that glass. Wonder if I should let it sit for a minute. I feel like I should have put that in a smaller pan. Oh, okay. Now we're gonna set this. Oh, whoa, shit. I just had to stop here and tell y'all that how funny that was. Okay, you had to have laughed at that. Oh, shit. Okay, that was funny, okay? I was sitting here editing this video, and all of a sudden, that happens. Dude, that's funny, okay? You have to admit that was funny. Yeah, my buns, the rolls were burning, so I threw my phone. I was like, oh, crap. You have to admit that was pretty funny. Okay, back to the vid. Now, you get all these guys, set them out on the cooling rack. Cooling rack. Boink. Oh man, they're burnt. Ah, stink. Hot, man. I should really find a better way of doing this, shouldn't I? Hot. Come on, break up. Okay, how about we do this? Run my hand under cold water. That's hot water. That's hot water. Okay. Crap. I'll have to get that one at 80. Here you go, dog. Okay. Okay. This thing needs to find its home over here. What's that, Bernie? Bring that back. There we go. Let it cool like that. There's the tea. Here's the lid for the tea. Put tea after set in fridge for it to cold. And this here, all you gotta do that. I think maybe just takes a fork, work at it a little bit. I think you can only do that to toast. Dang it. Well, now we got the potatoes in there. Tucker! Tucker! You can't be running off now. You got priorities. Take this across the street. Don't touch the pan, it's hot. Don't drop it, retard. Oh, here, how about I sit right here and then you grab it? Yeah. See if we can figure it out. Whoa! Don't spill it. Use your 2 cents. Do not make it drop on the floor. Say, come here. Come here. You want This is so good. Some crunchies. Well, our potatoes will cook them. Okay? We'll make some turtle. This up. Oh, shoot. I dropped it. Yeah, and I dropped it. At least it's on here, not on the floor. Okay, if you're not very responsible, please, I beg you, do not do this at home. Unless you were like 25 and you actually know what you're doing and you cooked for a long time and you've been cooking, don't listen to me. I am not a person you should be learning from. I'm just telling you what I like, and this is how I make it. And if you want to make it like that, you can make it like that as long as you know what you're doing. If I'm doing something wrong and you don't want to eat it like that, that's fine by me. I don't care. That's literally how you want to eat it. So don't burn your house down, please. Oil is very flammable. Whenever oil catches on fire, do not throw water on it. Just don't throw water on it. That's from experiences. So there's the rolls. Okay. Now we're gonna make tartar sauce. Mayonnaise. Tucker, go close that outside door.
Mayonnaise on an escalator. Going upstairs. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Into the sky. I've never been so high. Mayonnaise.
Shake your mayonnaise up pretty good. Vigorously shake it. Then get you some Dixie Chopper. Or Dixieland, whatever you want to call it. It used to be named Dixieland. Why is there 2 opened? Is this like spicier or... Nope, they're the same. Why is one of these open? Oh my gosh. Okay, so you want that. Shoot. And I think, yeah, that's it. That's all you need. Mayonnaise, Dixie Chopper. And if you want to act stupid and ruin it, put some other crap in it. Simple is always the best, okay? You want to make a big old bowl of this because the entire family's going to be destroying it. Like, this crap is good. Everyone knows what tartar sauce tastes like, but you haven't had just plain old tartar sauce. Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. Could have been a pretty good chop in there. You almost want to do 50-50. Don't get too much water in there. You want to make sure you get some chow in there. And it is good. It's like just sweet mayonnaise. Sweet mayonnaise with some, I don't know what that is, but this is literally, and you'll see it kind of form here in a second. Like if you've never seen it form, you're like, huh, I never knew how mayonnaise was made, how this was made. Well, that's tartar sauce. It looks just like the stupid lighting in here. It makes everything look green or like a different, completely different color. Like, now I won't even focus. But that's all you gotta do. You don't want to mix too much or you'll get really sweet. Ugh. Pretty strong. You want a little bit more mayonnaise. You don't have to be an idiot like me and flail around the mayonnaise jar and get a spoon. But I don't have really a place to put y'all. And, yeah. And that's how you make it. This is gonna be a long video. I can edit it. Okay. Make sure it's good mixed. Give it a good pat so it's flat and even. You always kind of want this on a towel, so if anything falls, it won't roll away. Put the mayonnaise back in the fridge. And now let's get us a good old piece of this deliciousness. That's amazing right there. That crap was good. Don't tell me you've had better. I don't want to hear your lies. This is just beautiful. Oh. Yeah. Now that's a pretty good dinner.